I hope nobody. I kept watching because I was getting closer. The T-33.
Alright.
Spare change.
This is not a covered benefit, my friend.
Taxi out! And Robert didn't listen. Robert, you gotta pay attention, bro. You just looked to the left and went.
You might be asking too much.
Coming up right behind you.
Sounds good.
It does.
Low pass after takeoff, Robert.
Ah, I missed this thing.
Low pass. Low pass.
Okay, I'm coming right behind you. Going up.
Coming out. Alright. Oh,
Let me do a little chasing you. So we don't have to. Just do your thing. Don't worry about me. Do your thing. Don't worry about me.
Low pass after. I'm waiting for you. All clear. Taking off! So I only get slow enough at the end of the runway.
Just gotta pitch it up sooner.
I'm low on the throttle, so I should be able to get it. Low pass again, guys. Low pass.
You gotta look. I'm zooming right over you. Keyon. Alright, I'd like to get a low pass in. Low pass!
Low pass after you, Ray. Low pass. Low pass.
It doesn't, it just falls forward.
No pass.
Robert.
Taking off. Landing.
On the throttle. Is it okay if I land before you, Ray?
I'm fine, I got 4 minutes. And I'm laid back right now, so I got more time. You gotta start way back there. Keep on the throttle though.
Go fast.
I did not expect to be passing you.
I know, I was going on a crawl.
That was insane.
Yeah.
Wow.
Alright. I'm gonna put my gear down. Gear check. Thank you!
Doing a little fast if this guy's not in the way. That guy out of the way.
I'm taxiing over here.
Okay.
Alright, landing!
I'm on the runway.
Come on in.
Robert, come on. Taxi, stay out of the way.
I'll get out of your way. Come on.
Clear. Thank you.
Oh, they moved?
Yeah,
Okay, I'm landing.
I got lucky.
Landing!
I'm at the end.
Back up, back up, back up.
I'm at the end to the right.
Okay.
The right wall. So
I'm gonna get pretty slow, so I should be okay.
I'm on the new pavement. The black.
Okay, I should be pretty close.
I'm at the edge of it. Nice.
Not really. It bounced.
Mine wasn't very good either. I came in too fast because I was just trying to get it down before.
No, I'm not landing. Sorry.
Clear! Woo!
Go. How to do.